Find the area of shaded region if the radius of the circle is 5 units and all the circles are equal. And question is saying that all the circles are equal in our criteria, like radius or whatever, and their radius of the circle, that is 5 units. So this is 5 units. This is the center here. We can call it 0. You can say O and O and O and O, like all are the same and all have the 5 units. So we can write 5 here. These are 5 units. 5, 5, 5, 5. Now we have to find this shaded area. So how can we find this? Let me solve for you, and if you have already done, then comment or answer. Okay, I will give you shout out. So what are the given data here? Radius is equals to 5 units. Okay, and here we can see that all the circles are touching at this point, and this is actually their end of radius, and all have the same, like all are this. So we can clearly see there is 5 units and 5 units, which equals to 10 units there, which is one side of this square. So there is a square whose side can be counted as what? 5 plus 5, which equals to 10 units. Now what I am saying, like, because this is also radius and this is also radius, so both r plus r, this is r plus r. Okay, now this is square, like 5 plus 5, which equals to 10, and also 5 plus 5, which equals to 10 here, same, 10, 10, 10, 10. Now when we find the area of this square, area of a square, which equals to side square, or we can say side times side, or side which is 10 units, 10 times 10, which equals to 100 square units. Okay, so to get this area, the shaded yellow area, we will first measure this area. Okay, and we will subtract this area, which is the circle's area. Okay, like we're standing or not, I will show you here. To get the shaded area region here, okay, so here we will measure this area, okay, whole area, like we have measured it already, and we will subtract this area of the circle, part of the circle, or we can say we will remove this area from this side, from this side, from this side, and this side. Now we will get this yellow area, what that is a requirement of our this question. Okay, so to get this area, what we have seen, that all are 1/4 of the full circle. Okay, all are 1/4, like 1/4 of whole circle. There are 4 circles. So when we measure area, when we calculate this, like area of circle is equal to what? Pi r square. Okay, this is the formula here, and here r is equal to what? 5, and here we can see that this is only 1/4 of that circle. For when we count this as a circle 1, circle 2, circle 3, and this is for circle 4, and whole we have only 1/4 of each circle, like 1/4 here. And when we add all 1/4 together, like 1/4, and there are actually total 4 of this area, you can say quadrant, so you will get answer 1. So when we calculate area of one circle, because all the units are same, like all circles are same and have the equal units, equal radius unit, that is 5 units. So when we calculate the area of one circle, we will get that unshaded area which is inscribed by that quadrant. Okay, or you can say 1/4 part of that circle. So we will measure that area, like simply 22/7. This is approximate value of pi. You can write 22/7 or 3.14, whatever you want to write, or simply you can write pi. I will take it as pi, so we don't need to calculate. So r square, and that means r here is 5, so pi times 5 square, or 5 times 25, or we can say 25 pi. Okay, now to get the area, now to get the shaded region, we have to subtract the area of square minus area of unshaded part of circles. So area of a square we have here, that is 100 units. So we will simply write 100 square units. This is also square units, both units are the same, and here area of that unshaded will be 25 pi square units, or we can simply say 100 minus 25 pi square units. This will be the final area of shaded region. This is the answer. Either you can calculate with the values of pi, you can calculate, but this is the way you can solve. And if you want more videos like this, then subscribe us and watch more videos like this. And thanks for watching.